Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Integrals get easy fast when you rewrite smartly, and this one is a perfect example because one tiny exponent move reveals the answer in seconds. Start by rewriting 1 over e to the x as e to the negative x, because dividing by an exponential is the same as moving that exponent downstairs with a minus sign. Now integrate e to the negative x by thinking in reverse derivatives. Since the derivative of negative e to the negative x becomes positive e to the negative x, that antiderivative works. So the integral is negative e to the negative x plus c, and that matches option A exactly, which is our final answer. Well done! Option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust the given form and check steps so the negative never disappears.